Hi guys, I've just replaced the motor on this, what is it? Revell Control Lion that we managed to burn out when we were playing with it the other day. But before I put the cover back on, I'll have a bit more fun. I'm going to make a four-wheel drive jumbo inflatable banana. In other words, I'm going to blow this up, stick it on top and drive it around for a bit. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.